Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Microsoft Edge pre-launching in Windows 10. Type local group policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click User Configuration. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Microsoft Edge. Double-click to open Allow Microsoft Edge to pre-launch at Windows Startup. Check Enabled. Change option to prevent pre-launching. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Local Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.